Well, guys, it is not exactly the video I wanted to make today. I got hit. Again. My truck got hit. So, we're after some graffiti remover. I'm actually after some WD as well. We got hit, tagged, whatever, by some kids. I'll get outside and we'll explain some more. So anyways, as I was saying in the store, we got hit, we got tagged. Some kids in Lloydminster decided that they didn't like my paint job or my wrap so much. So if you have any information about this, and it kind of helps me get to the bottom of this, let me know. I'll buy you a supper or something, and I hope it's kids. I want to teach them a lesson, not in the wrong way, in the right way. It sucks. They've been going around town vandalizing vehicles here for a couple weeks. Unfortunately, the RCMP haven't caught them yet, which happens. So anybody that has any information, let me know. I'm gonna take care of this. We're gonna, I guess, video what it's gonna be like to take it off. Hopefully I can just WD-40 and on a rag or some graffiti remover. We got a couple things we're gonna try and go from there. I'm gonna see if Paul wants to come give me a hand so I can have a hands-off approach to getting this removed. Alright, so bear with me, guys. The noise is gonna be a little bit loud. Alright, so first things first, guys, you're gonna get your paint, your surface cleaned up as well as you can. Try and get all the dirt, grime off. That way you're only scrubbing on. Okay, so this stuff here, guys, actually really impressed. It's a low VOC all-purpose remover, easy strip. I actually sprayed it right on because it said to, like, look at this. And off it comes nice and easy, low effort. It looks like we'll have to do a bit more polish work, so to speak, but yeah, it looks like we got lucky. So yeah, removing from a vinyl wrap came off really quick and painless. Oh, there was two there. Oh, perfect. The only thing about this stuff, guys, probably should be wearing gloves. So yeah, guys, really 5 minutes of work and I got it all for the most part off. We're gonna spray it all off again. See if I missed any spots. Like I missed right there for sure. And it looks like it almost takes taillight tint off. So we're gonna spray wash this and find out, and it might be actually eating a bit of color. We'll find out. Hey guys, well, we're out of the shop setting or car wash and back into the studio, and I want to talk about this product, Easy Strip. I can recommend this product. For my wrap, it seems to have basically looked like I didn't get tagged at all, which is a huge plus. Sucks. It is what it is. I do have your name. So I'm staring at you through. So if you're watching this video and you were hoping to get a video, you got a video. I expect you. Come buy me a coffee and apologize. That's all I'm asking. I'm not even going to say your name publicly. I'm not going to out you like that. But come say sorry. And you know what? Just be a better person. That's what I'm asking. Be a better person. Make this world a better place. You have time to turn your life around. You're very young. That said, guys, I don't like to go into those deep, dark places, but we did. So I'm going to end the video on a message. Do me a huge favor. Pick up your phone. If you're I've had a disagreement with a friend in recent or even previous, reach out to somebody you haven't talked to recently. Say hello, have a conversation, maybe go for coffee. Stay as safe as you can, obviously. And you might save a life. I'm not a huge preachy person on this, but I can tell you people get affected in ways you would never expect. Most importantly, everybody, stay safe. Stay running off-road. If you like the video, like, subscribe. Share this content if you can. It means a lot to a small content creator. I will see you guys on the next one. Unboxing the Pro Charger. And I'm going to try and get back to 4 videos a month, once a week. Content should be rolling in a little more fluidly. We're going to start toning. We've already started to ramp down the streaming content on purpose. So stay running off-road. I'll see you on the next one.
We used to be so good together.